My dear, this is not news. I mean, every election there's a vote buying. I mean, so if we are buying votes, they should also buy their votes. I mean, which one is integrity? If someone is loyal to you, why not? I mean, looking at where I am, I don't also have Momo on me. So if someone should call that.
Welcome to the Political Runs with me, the voice right on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. We are giving you live feed from what is happening in Ablekuma North right now. And Greater Accra Regional Minister, Mami Linda Oklo, Anaya Ina Fili say, oh yeah, innocent kakra on penny one sem and all those things no. From what we are seeing and we admit to say I have also MC Ablekuma North oko no say oko as a Greater Accra Regional Minister to supervise things no on the vote buying in our oko. Now on who say na oyiska just 6 months 7 months in power ni the way she's removing money say there on the 50 series biom. 100 cities no so the on the biom and the 200 cities unkwa na woni botuma oya o chichewo Ablekuma North for no ne we there obi bia ogina ho bia say ukona kwoto aban bia no mami Linda Oklo no oyi scan bi edimao enkofo bi nya 500 e bi mu nya 700,000 too na emu na a journalist ne ko bisa ne say mami MPP for see aha wa ba no scan kwa na baba chiche ne nema ekoso no enya ade ade pa ena mami ni ko ya no si aden de normal ya ba ban mu 7 months ni enya sika ni bi na se ana nanu aya na fenesen IMF sika bi bedu e be $300 million. And it's at $300 million jama money for the boys and the girls to share among themselves and make themselves comfortable. So they have turned that money into election operations money and omuchiche left and right center. But dodo na de omuchiche omudi beko ko to omu politics mo omu fie. Now it is a very, very sad thing for our democracy where we have gotten to, because for a government or a party that has gotten such an overwhelming majority of parliament, for them to be willing again to buy votes and money that is supposed to be for free senior high school, money that is supposed to be for buying things for the junior high schools, school feeding, they are not paying the caterers, some schools are not even cooking. They've sacked the people who were in the system, who were cooking and all those things. So for a party that has a lot of challenges, our water is not flowing, they are increasing electricity every 3 months. They say there, just 7 months, they've increased electricity more than almost 20%. And so for that same party to come and be telling you and I today, say it is nothing new to be sharing money for election, even though they have that much numbers our parliament, they are very, 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 very sad. And this is why I've maintained, say, the people of Ablekuma North, the whole country is watching you. The whole country is watching to see if you will sell your integrity, you will sell yourself for 200 cities. If you will sell your dignity, because your dignity is at stake here. Mu dignity no is at stake here. Say mami bi every shayo sudo kwa baby otekra no ekwan no nye. Na Ablekuma North 19 police station election enti or the ska etuni bottom as I said obechiche left right center. Mo amonim say ska we nu enye onu ane sika eya ban sika eye nyina ye sika I say of any developmental project. I say move ye coin and all those things now. For that kind of person, to be talking about sharing money and saying it's nobody's business. I said, anti scan the meet me say mamunji scan. Mamunji scan amunto abati omo. Because last December na omuni sikase. And the 7 months mponia e come di nyina yedwuyen hu say ye be ni senya ye be
raised concerns raised with regards to vote buying. I don't know if you've heard that your opponents, that's the MPP, they've raised concerns that they whenever their members come around to vote, they see the others pull them aside and all that. I don't know if you've heard that.
My dear, this is not news. I mean, every election there's a vote buying. I mean, so if we are buying votes, they should also buy their votes. I mean, we have members who traveled all the way from Kumasi and they have to come and vote. So if such people come, you have to give them TNT to go and vote. I don't think it's a vote buying. Are you guys? So if you think it's a vote buy, you to go and buy the vote. It's as simple as that.
But there are concerns that it could affect the integrity of the process. Are you finding?
I mean, which one is integrity? If someone is loyal to you, why not? The person will vote for you. With or without money, the person should be able to vote for you. So I don't think it's going to, I mean, giving the person TNT. But this morning, I have to call a couple of people. I mean, I was at Mass TV the other day. I gave my numbers out. And people are in Kumasi, others, Takwa, and others who are in Eastern Ridge. So I told them when they come, they should call me so that I'll give them their TNT. And I don't think this is vote buying. Or just to support their TNT.
I don't think that influences them in any way.
It doesn't. I mean, if someone loves you, the person loves you, irrespective of what you give to the person.
Giving money to voters in and around the vote.
We are not giving money. We are not giving, point of correction, we are not giving money. I'm saying that we are supporting them with their TNT. When someone calls you, I mean, looking at where I am, I don't also have Momo on me. So if someone should call that she doesn't have a transport, and for instance, I say, okay, pick a Uber. When you come, let me pay the Uber. And I pay the Uber. Is it vote buying? The person called me. It's transportation. Yeah, if the person is MPP, I don't think the person will call me. Obviously, the person is an NDC. That is why she called me. So I have to support. And equally, the MPP people also call them for TNT. So, I mean, this is not news.
But I'm concerned that it's happening around voting centers.
It's happening around. Yeah, if the person should come and vote, where are you going to get the person? It's a voting center. So you give it to the person at the voting center. Are you getting?
Honorable, one last question. Yesterday, we saw a turnaround from the MPP parliamentary candidate. Initially, I could say that probably your candidate might have been in a comfortable lead because she didn't know the MPP candidate was going to run, but then she decided to. What is your take on that?
Oh, she has decided. Initially, I thought they won't run, but now that they said they are running, trend that don't run, stand that don't participate in the election. And you say you want to, meaning there is something wrong somewhere. And so she's afraid that she might lose the election. That is why she said she's running. And so that is it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And that is the Honorable Minister.
There, for them to now have that money in their pocket. And the election and come use cano. Bisamuhu, bisamuhu say, enye election na kosu Ablekuma North no ankasa NDC for omanbo 4 way and ase trimudin 4 way no ombe scan ofri omobotu mu di map enti scan de omu di map age pa oji wie no koneko to abanetia NDC. They cannot insult our intelligence. I made you know from yesterday, and he said all the things they are doing right now is because they want to give John Mahama a third term. They are looking for one member of parliament to add up to have 2 thirds so that they can give John Mahama a third term. Nobody wants a third term for John Mahama. Even 7 months niye husu na third term they say they be. And Ablekuma North, the whole country is watching you. This has been the political round with me, the voice right on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share as I bring you update. Cheers.